Hey everyone, I just picked up this Danby Portable AC from Costco and wanted to give you a quick rundown of what I think about it. First off, this portable AC packs 12,000 BTUs, so I figured it would be perfect for cooling my entire living room. And I was right. When I first fired it up, I noticed a high-pitched noise coming from the compressor, but the fan itself was pretty quiet. You've got your temperature controls, different modes, and 3 fan speeds to choose from. And let me tell you, when you crank it up, you can really feel that cool air blasting out. Now, let's talk about the noise. I'm no expert, but I can definitely hear the high-pitched sound from the compressor. The fan noise is totally bearable for me, and the high-pitched sound isn't something everyone will pick up on. In fact, my wife can't even hear it. But for me, I can even hear it from upstairs, and it does get on my nerves a bit. I use this app to check the noise levels. Right next to the AC, it's hitting about 67 decibels. But just take a couple steps back and it drops down to around 59 decibels. I've got double hung windows in my living room, and setting up the exhaust hose was pretty easy. Oh, one more thing. There's an app that lets you control the AC from anywhere, as long as you've got an internet connection. You don't even need to be on your home Wi-Fi. You can turn it on and off. You can also set schedules in the app, which is super handy. And you can also save your favorite settings here. In the app, you are able to switch among different modes and make adjustments remotely. You are also able to change the fan speed and blowing directions. Let me show you how to add the AC to the app. Just hit Add Device, give it the OK, and it'll start searching for nearby devices. While it's doing its thing, make sure the AC is plugged in. And hold down the swing or Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. Once the app finds your AC, put in your Wi-Fi name and password and hit Start Configuration. Give it a few seconds and boom, you're all set. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope this helps you decide if the Danby 3-in-1 Portable AC is right for you.